In order to change font style on Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, you should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then we should be able to go to Display and Brightness. Then in here, look for the font settings, and you can choose between default and MI Sans fonts. Of course, these are only the standard choices that we have available from the beginning. And we can also tap on these three dots in order to open the theme app, where we can find many different fonts that we can get, mostly for free, I believe. So if you find a font that you wish to use, then of course you can just select it over here from this list, and then you can use this free button on the right side. Wait until it's downloaded, and then you can also apply it here straight away. And that is pretty much it. Now we have applied a new font, so let's go back. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.